There will be times when you may prefer to upload an individual image, or you may want to arrange a group of images spread along a page. To start, navigate to your Pages panel and choose a page. In the page content, click Edit, then select an insert point and choose the image block. You can click the image uploader to upload your image, or click on Choose Your Image for more options. Free stock images can be used through Unsplash, and premium images can be purchased through Getty Images. You also have the option to use images that were previously uploaded to your site. Click on the image editor to make changes to your images, such as brightness and saturation. Crop images to a specific dimension, or apply a filter. Click on Design to change how your image is positioned on your site, and Animations to animate your image. Some designs include captions, which is a great way to display the image title or give credit to someone else. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.